While we were doing our research for spas, we really wanted to go into the actual store to see what the spas looked like and what they had to offer.
We wanted to go into a dealer and find out what all these features mean, how they can customize a particular spa to the needs that we were looking at.
It was such a great decision for us to go in to actually see and touch and experience a spa for ourselves.
One of the things that really stood out with the Sundance brand was the quality of construction. There is quality manufacturing within the shell, within the inner workings. There was definitely quite a few different needs with regards to the spa purchase that we're looking at. Size was a factor because I'm 6'2" and my wife is 5'2". We wanted to get the best value with regards to the quality features within the spa. The clear ray system really added value to keeping that crisp, clear water within the spa.
When we went to Sundance Spas, I was nervous at first because I didn't want to go into a place where we felt pressured to buy. We actually found it was a completely opposite experience. They were very friendly, they were very knowledgeable.
We prefer to educate our customers on what Sundance Spas have to offer. This way they can make an informed decision. It's also important that you come in, see each model, possibly even wet test. It's important to make sure that you fit in the spa that you're taking home with you.
I think the most important part of our purchasing process was actually going into the dealer and getting a real idea of what the best options are for us.
I would definitely recommend the Sundance brand. The quality of the spas are very high end and the whole experience is just a comfortable buying experience.